Hi guys, welcome to Tech Electronics. This is a new selection of cool products from Aliexpress and Amazon, which you will definitely like something. All links to the products in the description below the video. Realink Security Camera Wireless Outdoor Tilt Solar Powered. Argus PT runs on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and stays fully charged with Realink solar panel, which realize 100% wire-free security. With high-capacity battery, long-lasting power per charge and no worry about weather. Argus PT can turn its head 355 degrees horizontally and 140 degrees vertically, which shows you everything in 4MP HD. You can see clearer night vision up to 33 feet even at poor light. Real Smart Home Security Camera adopt more sensitive digital PIR motion sensor, support smart human, vehicle detection and instant alerts, event recording to micro SD card and Realink Cloud. Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 plus Android Tablet 12. 4-inch. Work and play with the blazing fast speed of Wi-Fi 63x faster than the previous generation of Wi-Fi. Get more enjoyment out of every moment with a big 12.4-inch AMOLED screen and high resolution that dazzles with unbelievable brilliance, crispness, and color. Record super clear video in 4K and great photos with an ultra-wide front camera with auto framing. With Galaxy S8 Plus, your photography skills will shine regardless of your experience level behind the lens. Inspire your imagination with our fastest S Pen yet, an S Pen that is more responsive than ever, feels even more like a real pen, and it's included with tablet purchase. Braun Beard Trimmer Hair for Men. Braun's innovative auto-sensing technology reads your beard 13 times per second and adjusts the power of the trimmer motor to the thickness of your beard to provide an effortless trim for any beard type. The motor provides extra power exactly where it's needed, allowing Braun trimmers to deliver unprecedented performance versus all previous generations of Braun trimmers. Achieve your style effortlessly with the Braun BT5240 Beard Trimmer Hair Clipper for Men. Delivering ultimate accuracy for an even cut, the BT5240 features a precision dial with 39 length settings and comes with lifetime sharp blades. Washable trimmer head and comb device should not be held under water. The short beard comb helps you maintain short to medium beards and even clips your hair. Maintain longer beard or hairstyles with the comb. Create accurate lines edges on neck and cheeks with the Braun Beard Trimmer Head. Ultra-sharp blades easily cut through long or thick hair without pulling and tugging. 100 minutes of trimming. Full recharge in 1 hour. 5-minute quick charge for one trim. Head-up display for car HUD drive. Head-up display for everyday commute to stay focused and connected while driving. Simple installation, quick setup and pairing, trouble-proof connection, reliable complementary software, ability to use any app of your choice is made real with HUD Drive. HUD Drive is serving the modern driver, someone on the go who needs to stay connected without sacrificing their safety or the safety of others, with something that can't be found anywhere else. See when someone is calling you and accept the call the way you normally do. If you have a voice assistant button on the steering wheel, a Bluetooth headset, or Apple Watch, you can connect it to your phone and respond to calls this way. View messages and other notifications from your phone projected through your windshield. It's automated, no extra actions are needed. Customize your driving experience with the dashboard widgets, pitching and rolling, GPS speedometer, clock, weather, ETA, compass, eco driving index, and more. Listen to the voice directions played on your smartphone, Bluetooth headphones, or car media system and receive phone calls hands-free. One of the most exciting things about an aftermarket heads-up display is its portability. You purchase one and can take it from one vehicle to another. And this calls for a versatile design that would look good on any vehicle dashboard, as well as for a thought-out mounting system. After you install the device, plug the cable in the mount power port, secure the cable with dash clips, hide it between the dash and the windshield, then thread it behind the driver's seat to further plug it in the cigarette lighter receptacle. Hyperscooter Dragonfly is a revolution in transport. With its 4 wheels for unrivaled stability and a patented steering system that works in sync with your body, riding a Dragonfly isn't just easy, it's instinctive. The Dragonfly Hyperscooter is the future of urban transportation. A super light and sleek electric vehicle that takes flight through the urban jungle. The refined vehicle for the modern urbanite. the sleek and elegant cruising machine that will turn heads and part the crowds. The Dragonfly Hyperscooter's unique wide four-wheel carbon fiber platform offers unparalleled stability and safety when tackling the modern urban landscape. And with its ultra-low center of gravity, accelerating and stopping feels secure and natural. Steering a Dragonfly is an experience unlike anything else. Holding the handlebars at the top of the steering column, you stand on the deck as you would a skateboard. Turning the handlebars turns the wheels at both the back and the front, while moving your waist allows you to add even more steer, literally leaning into the corner. Luna, the most intelligent pet bot. She's so playful and affectionate you'll forget she's a robot. Luna is smart, intuitive, affectionate, and playful. Everything you can dream of in a best friend and more. Get ready to fall in love. When you come home, she'll come quickly to welcome you. When you walk around, she loves to follow, and when you pet her, she'll be so happy. She can have fun by herself. Luna sneezes, scratches, roams your home easily and even investigates suspicious objects. Luna can also beatbox, dance, even pose for pictures. With a high-definition RGB camera below her face and a CPU with up to 5 TOPS of computing power, Luna sees you. Luna can perform face recognition, body detection, gesture recognition, 3D motion capture, object recognition, emotion perception, label recognition, and more. Through her visual power, you and Luna have tons of fun interactions, such as her running after the ball and following you. You know, like a pet. Luna can identify the sound source. Try calling her from behind and she will quickly run to you. Powered by Amazon Lex, Luna is able to recognize and understand voice commands and provide feedback while keeping your information secure. Luna has a 3D TOF camera that detects environmental obstacles and generates data to help her move swiftly in the space and navigate in the environment. She can also integrate an RGB camera to capture and track moving objects. With 3D intelligent trajectory planning, Luna moves freely around the house. Luna knows how to prevent herself from falling when an edge is near. Using an RGB camera, Luna is able to detect motion and play fetching. Luna has got 6 motors, and her wheels move with the help of 2 brushless servo motors. Using her legs, ears and eyes, Luna has over 700 expressions. Luna can map the surrounding environment quickly and move in a 360-degree radius. Can balance herself on 2 wheels. She can stand, roll over and even pop herself back up. "360 rotating vehicle security guard." It is packed with all the powerful functions people loved in our previous generation cameras, along with powerful new features for full view coverage, AI parking surveillance, and safe driving assistance. Omni is equipped with powerful parking surveillance. By utilizing its upgraded AI motion detection algorithm, the dash cam is able to identify humans around your car, detect their motion, and precisely target their location. If people who approach remain suspicious and close to your car, Omni spontaneously follows and records their movements with 360 surveillance. Omni's exclusive collision detection algorithm acts as a valuable witness to any accident while capturing essential evidence to help determine fault. When a collision happens, Omni will automatically pinpoint the direction of the motion, then turn toward it and record footage for up to 30 seconds after a collision occurs. In parking mode, Omni continuously records the vehicle's surroundings with time lapses. Omni compresses every 30 minutes into 1 minute of video to provide users with a quick overview of important moments. Dream Glass Flow are augmented reality glasses for gaming and video streaming. It's compatible with remote play for PlayStation, Xbox, PC, as well as cloud gaming, video streaming across various platforms. It also upgrades portable gaming experience from 7 inches to 120 inches for handhelds Nintendo Switch, Steam Deck, and more. As the world's pioneer of AR glasses, Dream Glass Flow's cloud computation box is equipped with Wi-Fi 6 and 2x2 MIMO technology, which makes efficient use of network bandwidth and eliminates latency, delivering to you the smoothest online gaming experience. Dream Glass Flow is the gamer's dream coming true. No need to hold a handheld up high or watch gaming monitor in an award angle. You can now play your favorite game in the most comfortable position for as long as you like. Take Dream Blast Flow with you and leave the heavy consoles or gaming PCs at home. You can access your gaming rigs remotely with Dream Blast Flow through remote play apps such as PS Remote Play, Xbox app, and more. No matter you are camping with friends, chilling in a cafe, or just having some time during lunch break. Diveroid Underwater Mobile Phone Companion. Universal Light is the ultimate sidekick for even the most adventurous snorkelers. Capture vibrant underwater footage with 4K technology while viewing all vital snorkeling info right on your screen. The waterproof housing protects your smartphone while allowing full access to the built-in button operations. Enjoy your underwater adventures, record crystal clear photos and videos, and share with your family and friends right from the autosave logbook. The Diveroid algorithm automatically corrects color the deeper you go, repairing predominantly blue/green photos with real-time color correction to restore your photos to the original color. Auto color correction is available both during and after your underwater adventures. The powerful waterproof housing keeps your smartphone protected, enabling you to take high-quality photos and capture underwater 4K videos with ease. Keep track of your entire adventure from start to finish. The app auto-syncs your photos and videos for later viewing, or you can view each specific photo taken at each depth of your snorkel in real time. The Diveroid is compatible with almost every major smartphone, and includes adjustable housing to securely fit your smartphone within the device. The Hedgehog Gaming Mouse and Controller. Perform any action while hardly lifting a finger. Master 23 customizable buttons and new slide control. With 23 customizable buttons, smooth slide controls and an all-new control system, the Hedgehog can level up your MMO performance so you're a hotkey pro. Simply place the Hedgehog onto your slider base and the mouse will automatically detect it as a controller and allow you to move in-game, allowing for smooth, responsive movement. The controller has two modes which free your fingers up to focus on important abilities: joystick mode or key press mode WASD. The Hedgehog's unique key placement parallels in-game hotkeys so that you won't have to shift your hand position or fingers to access buttons. You can even bind buttons as modifier buttons to multiply how many actions you have instant access to. With Hedgehog, you can use two mice at the same time for a unique and optimized way to control your game without your fingers ever having to move off the buttons. With the Hedgehog software you can edit settings for your mice and also set up custom profiles for different games. Sure, you can use Hedgehog alongside your normal keyboard or use two Hedgehogs at once, but you can also use a Hedgehog alongside your normal mouse. Our PTFE premium mouse feet are engineered to reduce those annoying snags from your mouse mat, meaning the Hedgehog will glide over the surface allowing you to be top of your game. Our snap action switches are rated for 15 million clicks. Hedgehog is the friend you can count on. Whereabot Pinot Lamp, world's first artificial intelligent robot lamp, automatically tracks faces and objects, intelligently adjusting the lighting angle. From the exact page of the book you're reading to a targeted focus on objects of a certain color, not forgetting your face as you move and shoot a video, Pinot Lamp's auto-tracking feature is a true miracle of technology you can now enjoy. When you're reading, Whereabot Pinot Lamp will track your movements so that it shines the right light on the pages you're reading or on the sheets where you're writing. Shoot videos from your phone and have this very special lamp intelligently following your face, projecting that special focus that will give the perfect light to your videos. Set the only color you want Pinot Lamp to track, and your lamp will track any objects of that color while tracking no other objects of other colors. Who would say that an intelligent lamp could act as an interactive emotional companion? It's one of the surprising and amazing features of this smart lamp, as Pinot Lamp interacts with you through a breathing light effect projected from the headlight, as it moves intelligently tracking moving objects. It's as if you had a new great friend keeping you company. Link Digital Business Card, Smart NFC Contact and Networking Card. Using the link card, you can share contact info, social media profiles, payment information, photos and videos, custom calls to action, and so much more. The more sustainable choice, instead of having hundreds of paper business cards, the link card allows you to use one card for all of your networking and connecting purposes. MacBook Pro Hyperfast Charger with a single port, PD3. 1 pumps up charging levels to 140W. Charge the MacBook Pro 16-foot to 56% in 30 minutes. 3-in-1 multi-port charging, 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port support, charging 2 laptops and a phone simultaneously at speeds necessary for a multi-device tech user. The 140W charger provides the ability to fast charge 2 14-inch laptops simultaneously. Power dispenser system intelligently adjusts power outputs, protecting device battery, improving battery life. Thermal guard system scans temperature 800 times per second, safeguarding your devices from overheating. Smaller size, optimum efficiency, revolutionary GaN technology and foldable plug reduces the size of the Nexode 140W by 22% compared to original 140W chargers, meaning more power in your palm without a sacrifice in quality or power. Nanda ZUS Smart Car Charger with app to save car's location and monitor car battery. Reversible USB ports mean you'll no longer struggle to plug into your charger. Plugging your cable in the dark has never been easier. Front LED indicator lights make it easy to know when ZUS is connected to your phone. Blinking LEDs indicate ZUS is ready to connect. Solid LEDs indicate ZUS has connected via Bluetooth. Made from premium German Bayer polycarbonate. Withstands extremely hot weather. Subscribe on my YouTube channel and click on the bell please. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye. Bye guys.